Your drone isn't doing what you ask. The next 10 seconds truly matter. If your drone starts doing something you didn't expect, the next 10 seconds decide everything. Your drone isn't doing what you ask. It's drifting. It's hesitating. The next 10 seconds are crucial. This is the moment where most pilots panic. And panic is how perfectly good drones turn into very expensive debris. I'm Chris with CoPro Solutions. I've logged over 7,000 flight hours, recreational and commercial. And today, we're talking about what actually happens when a drone stops responding the way that you expect. And more importantly, what to do before things go sideways. This video might save your drone once again. Most drone failures aren't failures at all, but what you're gonna find is they're misinterpretations. Here's what's usually happening. The drone hasn't lost its mind. It's lost maybe signal. Maybe you've lost orientation. When the drone is far out, nose in, wind affected or partially obstructed, your brain flips out. Left to right, you push the sticks harder, faster. The drone looks like it's disobeying you, but it's really not. It's doing exactly what you told it to do, just not what you meant. This is the first trap. But what you're gonna find is the first trap is the worst trap. The worst thing you can do is overcorrect. When that starts happening, you began to add more inputs, hit the sticks harder when something feels wrong. That's not right. Neither is freezing. So one of two things has to occur. Fighting the sticks is worse, freezing is second bad. Rapid corrections just stack error on top of error. See? Plus orientation confusion equals chaos. So orientation confusion equals. So here's rule number one. Slow down your inputs. Small joysticks need big heroic ones, not heroic joystick maneuvers. It's not something you want to do. It's not something you want to do. Run this mental checklist. First, stop. First, stop. Stop the forward motion. Let the drone hover if it can. Second, check altitude. The more height you have, the more time you have. The more time you have, the more options you have. Third, yaw before you translate till it visually makes sense again. See, most pilots try to move before they reorient, and that's backwards. Remember, orientation first, movement second. Return to home. For a lot of crashes, it didn't cause. Return to home only does what you told it to do before takeoff. So if your home point was wrong, if your return to home altitude was too low, or if you launched under trees or some other structure, your return to home isn't going to be your savior. It's likely going to be your straight line liability. However, when used correctly, return to home is one of the most reliable recovery tools that you'll have. But as we talked about in other videos, remember to set that up properly in your pre-flight checklist. Know your settings. Trust them only if you've set them deliberately. Section 5. Dropping. Don't descend. Climb slowly. Climb slowly. Let the drone hover. Usually means fewer obstructions, clearer signal, better, clearer signal. Descending into buildings, trees, variables that you don't need. Clear air beats clever maneuvers every time. Ask. The next 10 seconds decide everything. Section 6. Why? Just don't begin with impact. They begin with hesitation. Not acting when you should, or acting wildly when you shouldn't, causes mass catastrophes. Confidence doesn't mean decisive. It means being calm. Remember, fly prepared, fly with intention. Your drone doesn't need panic. It needs a pilot who understands the next 10 seconds. Remember, the pre-flight checklist you can get for free. You can download it in the description below today. And maybe the next drone that you save might be your own. Seriously, what are you waiting for? Check the description and get your checklist today. Thank you for watching. This has been another production of CoPro Solutions, where we strive to educate, innovate, and elevate.